This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the bonnet release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the bonnet safety latch and raise the bonnet upwards. Release the 3 retaining clips securing the air filter cover to the housing. Note its fitted position, then withdraw the filter element from the housing. Clean the inside of the air cleaner body, being careful not to get dirt into the inlet duct. Use a vacuum cleaner if necessary. Fit the new filter element into place, ensuring it locates correctly with the housing. Refit the housing cover onto the filter element and secure the 3 cover retaining clips.